Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to pin Cricbuzz Live Score on home screen. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. To do it, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Cricbuzz application, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do here is begin the live match that you want. Either you can select it from the Explore page or home page, or simply select the matches option on the bottom of your screen. Then once inside, here you'll find the league and the domestic option. Simply select the match that you want to add on your home screen. In order to add it, simply tap on this bell icon right here on the top right, and here you'll find an option that says notify me for. All you gotta do is select the matches that you want, and then once done, simply tap on the done option on the bottom of your screen. Then once that's done, what you need to do is enable notifications if you don't have it, and then once you have done that, simply head over to the home screen. Then all you gotta do is long tap on the home screen, then tap on the edit option on the top left. Then select add widget, and here you'll find the Cricbuzz application or widget. Simply select that, and once you select it, the Cricbuzz widget will be right here, and you can view the live scores from your home screen. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful, and see you soon on the next one.